Alright, I'm back from yelling at the dogs. So here's another view. This tree and this tree fell over onto the pole barn just days after we moved in. But this is flowing well into here. We did a lot of digging through here to get it going. Sorry, it got blurry for a second. Focused on my hand. Alright, so let's continue on. And also, through there's a low point where you can get up onto the other side if you want to. It's usually, if I need to bring the push mower, that's usually the route I take. Alright. Let's continue on. I should have set my exercise. When I came outside, I was just going to check the creek. Kind of am, I guess. I love coming out here and just taking it slow. I'll sometimes take so no drainage through here, which is surprising. There's a decent ravine right there. Lost my train of thought. I mean, this stuff here we do need to clear up, but not too. Some of it, that excessive freeze took out too. It took out things that in west central Georgia usually doesn't get killed off. Looks like some of the fern survived. Alright, I'll be get back with the next one.